Hi, Joost. Your slogan is mapping the seafloor to make the invisible visible. So my first question is, why is it important to map the seafloor?
Well, if you look at our planet, 71% is covered by water. And what is down there is very important for multiple reasons. There's a huge source of food for billions of people to eat. There is carbon sequestration happening actually. So from the CO2 we pump in the atmosphere goes into the ocean, and the seafloor plays a very important role. But also it's a very important area for renewable energy, for example windmills in the North Sea. So seafloors are much more important than we actually realize, and that's what we visualize.
And if it's so important, then how is mapping the seafloor done today?
So today, it's if you really look into detail, it's very manual. Don't forget to laugh. Now it's done very manual, so you often send teams of divers down to really write down what is down there, how important it is to take pictures of a video material, and it's a very labor-intensive, very expensive thing to do. And we want to automate that whole process from getting the data, analyzing the data, so that people that actually need it, like coastal managers, politicians, have the data, not in months, but in weeks or days or hours even, so that they can make the decisions now, which are very important, especially when you talk about climate change, because there's so much happening, we need to act fast.
So you're working on automation of seafloor mapping in real time now. Since when did you found? I think end of 2017. You've grown the team to 10 people now. So what are the next steps that you need to do?
The next step is we're very good in collecting data with an awesome underwater satellite, which we'll show you in a second. But we need to bring the data as quickly as possible to the decision makers, and we have internal tools to do that right now, but we need to optimize and speed that up much faster, and for that we're building up a software team. But I mean, I'm the CEO of Planblue, but I'm not a technical person. I know what the thing should do, I don't know how, so let's talk to Guy, because he knows exactly what kind of people we need.
Yeah, let's go and see your team.
Let's do it.
All right, bye. Hi, Guy and Helia.
Good morning. Good morning.
So Joost said you want to hire a lot of people, and you are the guys that are the future colleagues of the people that you're looking for at the Startup Job Night.
True.
What kind of people are you looking for that you would want to work with?
We're looking for people with a really strong technical background and that like to work to help save our oceans, basically. Those are the two things. For all technical details, you can look at the job description.
And somebody who is highly motivated to want to make a difference, to try to make this environment more sustainable for our future.
Yeah, cool. So, if you want to learn a lot more about these guys and this awesome startup, then and you are interested, then look up the job profiles and have a short Q&A session remotely on October the 7th at the Startup Job Night.
Great to see you there.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.